Hello everyone, this is Nestle, your favorite mattress girl from girlonthemattress.com. I hope you don't have another mattress girl. We are going to unbox the Nest Bedding Hybrid Medium Level Queen Size Mattress today. This mattress is 110 pounds. Guys, we're gonna unbox it now. Nest Bedding is one of my favorite because of their customer service and the way they are looking like they're gonna be in the business forever. And they put your satisfaction on top of their business, and I think this is how it should be. The product should be great and customer service should be great, and that's why there it is. We are on this 2018 and okay, enough talk. Let's go unbox it, guys. I'm gonna play some music. Alexa, play Dirty Bird on Pandora. Dirty Bird is always cool. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:32 p.m.
I have to go. Alexa, I have to go.
I don't know that.
Guys, this mattress is really nice. The first impression, wow, super nice. It's really, really nice. Wow. And definitely bouncy. Guys, keep on watching. The second video, we're gonna talk everything you need to know about the Nest Bedding Alexander Signature Hybrid Mattress. This is nice. The cover is nice. No smell at all. There's a soft top, and I can feel a little bit the coils bottom. There's hand holders. I never understand why they don't put them on the front and the back, just the sides. Like, does anybody carry on the side? No, you put the mattress like that, and then one on the front, one on the back. Ah! So exciting. Okay, I gotta go now. I gotta go play ping pong right now. But if you wanna know the details, and if you wanna know if the Alexander Nest Hybrid mattress is a good match for you, keep on watching the second video, the review video after I sleep on it. But I'm telling you guys, this is an exciting mattress. I'm really, really looking forward to sleep on it, and I'll keep you updated my feedback, and check out my site girlonthemattress.com for the detailed review. And love you so much, and see you soon.